Check up. Circle the glass with black. Circle the stove with purple. Circle the kettle with white. Circle the refrigerator with pink. Point to the refrigerator. Point to the kitchen. Point to the glass. Point to the pen. Point to 27. Point to 28. Point to the lid. Point to the kettle. Point to the sink. Point to the jar. Connect the dots with your brown crayon. Une los puntos con tu crayola café. Point to the mop. Point to the water. Point to 29. Point to 30. Draw the missing parts. Dibuja las partes que faltan. Point to the spoon. To the plate. Point to the dish. Point to the fork. Point to the knife. Point to the cup. Point to the can. Muy bien.